Have you ever noticed how some people stop talking about money right before they start making a lot of it? No flashy cars, no loud announcements, no social media captions saying big moves coming. Yet somehow, a few years later, their net worth quietly crosses 100,000, then 500,000, then 1 million. A large percentage of self-made millionaires live in middle-class neighborhoods, drive practical cars, and avoid status purchases. They don't look rich. They don't sound rich, but they are building something powerful beneath the surface. And the truth is, wealth rarely begins with noise. It begins with a shift. In this video, I'm not going to talk about stock tips or business hacks. I'm going to show you the silent indicators, the subtle internal upgrades, that signal you are becoming wealthy even before your bank account reflects it. Some of these signs may already be present in your life. Others might surprise you. If you stay till the end, you'll realize something powerful. Wealth doesn't start when money appears. It starts when identity changes. If success is your goal and you're ready to level up, make sure you subscribe. Every video is crafted to move you closer to the life you deserve. Sign number 1. You feel less urge to impress anyone. There's a strange psychological shift that happens before real financial growth. You stop needing validation. Years ago, many people would feel tempted to upgrade their phone, their clothes, or even take debt for vacations just to look successful. But then something changes. You start asking, will this purchase actually improve my future? When your desire to impress declines, your savings rate quietly increases. You don't feel anxious when someone else buys a luxury watch. You don't feel pressured to upgrade your car. You feel calm staying financially strategic. In the book, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, he writes that wealth is what you don't see. It's the cars not purchased, the upgrades skipped, the dollars invested instead. When you stop chasing applause, you start building assets. Ask yourself honestly, if nobody saw your purchases, would you still buy them? That question alone can change your financial future. And here's the interesting part. When you no longer seek validation, something else replaces it. Discipline. And discipline compounds. You get excited about ownership, not just earning. At some point, something subtle changes inside you. Salary stops being the main scoreboard. Earlier, a raise felt like proof that you were moving forward. Now you find yourself thinking differently. Instead of asking how much someone earns, you quietly wonder what they control, what they've built, what continues working even when they are resting. That shift is not loud, but it is powerful. Income is important, but ownership creates stability. You begin noticing how assets, whether a small side project, a digital product, a rental space, or a stake in a growing company, carry a different kind of energy. They represent leverage. In Rich Dad's Cash Flow Quadrant, Robert Kiyosaki explains that true financial expansion often comes from moving beyond earned income into systems that generate value independently. When you start getting more curious about building than earning, your mindset upgrades. You're comfortable waiting for bigger rewards. There's a maturity that develops when you no longer rush to convert every opportunity into instant pleasure. Earlier, bonuses or extra cash felt like permission to celebrate immediately. Now you pause, you think, you evaluate. Instead of asking what this money can buy today, you consider what it can become tomorrow. That internal pause is a silent wealth signal. Psychological studies have long shown that individuals who delay gratification tend to experience stronger long-term outcomes across many areas of life. This doesn't mean you stop enjoying life. It means enjoyment becomes intentional rather than reactive. When waiting no longer feels painful but purposeful, you've stepped into a higher level of self-command, and that self-command quietly builds stability beneath everything you're creating. Number 4. Setbacks no longer shake who you are. There was a time when a financial mistake felt personal. A loss, a failed idea, or an unexpected expense could damage confidence. But now, something has shifted. Challenges still happen, yet they no longer define you. Instead of reacting emotionally, you analyze calmly. You ask what the situation is teaching you. That emotional regulation is rare and incredibly valuable. In Mindset, Carol Dweck explains how a growth-oriented perspective transforms failure into feedback. When you internalize this, money problems become lessons rather than identity crises. You stop tying your self-worth to temporary numbers. You understand that markets move, industries change, and careers evolve. What matters is adaptability. This resilience builds invisible strength. People who recover quickly preserve energy and make better long-term decisions. When others panic, you stay thoughtful. When others retreat, you refine. That emotional steadiness is not dramatic, but it's one of the clearest signs you're building something sustainable beneath the surface. Number 5. Setbacks no longer shake who you are. There was a time when a financial mistake felt personal. A loss, a failed idea, or an unexpected expense could damage confidence. But now, something has shifted. Challenges still happen, yet they no longer define you. Instead of reacting emotionally, you analyze calmly. You ask what the situation is teaching you. That emotional regulation is rare and incredibly valuable. When you internalize this, money problems become lessons rather than identity crises. You stop tying your self-worth to temporary numbers. You understand that markets move, industries change, and careers evolve. What matters is adaptability. This resilience builds invisible strength. People who recover quickly preserve energy and make better long-term decisions. Instead of spiraling, you stabilize. Instead of quitting, you adjust. And here's the quiet advantage. Stability attracts opportunity. When others panic, you stay thoughtful. When others retreat, you refine. That emotional steadiness is not dramatic, but it's one of the clearest signs you're building something sustainable beneath the surface. Number 6. Learning feels more rewarding than entertainment. Take a moment and reflect on how you spend your free time. There was a period when endless scrolling or passive entertainment felt normal. Now, you notice a new craving, curiosity. You find yourself drawn toward books, podcasts, skill building, or deeper conversations. Not because someone forced you, but because growth feels satisfying. This is a powerful transformation. Knowledge compounds just like capital. When you begin investing in your abilities consistently, your earning potential naturally expands over time. But beyond income, learning strengthens confidence. You feel less intimidated by change because you are constantly upgrading yourself. Instead of reacting to trends, you analyze them. Instead of fearing complexity, you explore it. This quiet dedication to personal expansion separates long-term builders from short-term consumers. And the beautiful part is that the outside world might not even notice yet. But inside, your foundation is becoming stronger every single day. Your conversations shift toward possibilities. Listen closely to the topics that energize you now. Gossip feels draining. Complaints feel repetitive. Instead, you find yourself interested in ideas, systems, patterns, opportunities, solutions. That conversational evolution is more important than it seems. Social psychology research suggests that our environment strongly influences our behavior and expectations. When your discussions revolve around growth instead of criticism, your thinking expands. As you become more aware of these patterns, your conversations become sharper and more intentional. You gravitate toward people who challenge your perspective rather than simply agree with you. This intellectual stimulation fuels progress. Over time, idea-driven environments naturally generate innovation and improvement. You begin seeing possibilities where others see obstacles. And here's the subtle reward. Opportunity often hides inside conversations. Number 8. You remain calm when others panic. There's a distinct difference between awareness and anxiety. You still pay attention to economic headlines, industry shifts, or unexpected disruptions, but they no longer control your emotions. Earlier, uncertainty might have triggered fear-driven decisions. Now, you pause before reacting. You understand that cycles are natural. In Anti-Fragile, Nassim Nicholas Taleb discusses how certain systems actually grow stronger under stress. When you adopt this perspective, volatility becomes less threatening and more instructive. Instead of chasing noise, you focus on preparation, maintaining savings, diversifying income sources, and strengthening skills. Emotional steadiness creates clarity. While others rush to make impulsive moves, you evaluate options rationally. This calm presence is powerful. It protects you from costly mistakes made under pressure. It also builds confidence within your network because people trust stability. Number 9. You measure progress by personal standards. Comparison used to influence your sense of achievement. Seeing others advance created pressure. Now, your focus feels different. You track your own milestones. You reflect on where you were last year and where you stand today. That internal benchmark creates freedom. Research in behavioral psychology shows that intrinsic motivation, progress driven by personal values, produces more sustainable results than external validation. In Drive, Daniel Pink explains how autonomy and mastery fuel long-term performance. When you define success based on alignment rather than applause, decisions become clearer. You no longer overspend to keep up appearances. You no longer chase goals that don't resonate with your values. Instead, you build steadily toward what genuinely matters to you. This quiet confidence reduces stress and increases satisfaction. You move forward because it feels purposeful, not competitive. When you're building according to your own blueprint, you're less likely to abandon it halfway. That stability is one of the strongest foundations wealth can stand on. Number 10. You think beyond yourself. The final sign is perhaps the most profound. Your focus expands beyond immediate personal gain. You begin considering long-term impact, family stability, community contribution, legacy. Instead of asking how to accumulate quickly, you think about how to build responsibly. Cultural research on generational wealth consistently shows that financial success lasts longer when paired with education and shared values. When you adopt a generational perspective, your decisions gain depth. You become more patient. You plan more carefully. You prioritize learning and structure. Short-term excitement becomes less appealing than long-term security. This doesn't mean you lose ambition. It means ambition gains direction. You want growth that endures. And that mindset shifts behavior in subtle but meaningful ways. You communicate differently. You allocate resources more thoughtfully. You set examples intentionally. Thinking generationally transforms wealth from a personal milestone into a responsibility. And that responsibility quietly strengthens every financial choice you make moving forward. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this, also subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.